Okay, so silver has crossed $48 today, and it has made new all-time high. And it has been in uptrend since, if you see, this is the bottom. March 2020 was the bottom, around 11.6, $11.63, and since then it has been going up. And of course there was like this big correction here, but the overall trend has been bullish. And before shifting to the regular view, I would just say yeah, and then see if the cycle, if we go back to see the historical price movement. So here from 1993 bottom, it went from somewhere from this value, which was $3, something like 50, or around $3.50 to the highest point of $49.83 on April 11. So this was like 1100% return from the bottom, but that was a long cycle from 1994 to like the big 2004, or like 16-year long cycle. But even if we see from here, which was November 2008 bottom, okay, so there it was like lowest was $8 or $9, so it was like more than 400% return during that period. And then this thing happened even before this big spike, okay, when silver was trading in 19, let's say 1972, from 1972 to 1980, it gained like, the gain was like 2000% in from 1972 to 1980. And then we see this spike, which is from 1976 to 1980, and that was around 1000%, okay, from the bottom price. So silver has been making this kind of big spikes, and then we see here this big cup and handle formation. This is a giant cup and this handle. So it seems like it is about to break this cup and handle pattern, the way it looks like. And because silver usually follows gold, so gold has been in this kind of uptrend for a long, for like at least two years. So now silver was being suppressed for such a long period, but now it is breaking this resistance level around, which is around, in this picture it's like $49-50 range. It's around that area, and it is. So maybe today is the day it's going to break this level. Okay, and it's already hitting this target. So what's next after that? I think the way it's moving, we could maybe see around 50, like 58-60 silver by the end of the year. And the charts here confirm that. Let's say if we move to, because I have this my levels, this Fibonacci retracement levels showing here. So let's get back to this regular view, and you can see here now we have reached this point 48.28 $48.29, and yeah, so next level is around $58. So yeah, there could be some corrections here. Yeah, we could expect a correction because that's like a significant level. We might see some correction, or it might just go straight up, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Maybe a little bit of corrections, and then it goes by the end of this month. Maybe who knows how fast it's moving, because once it starts moving, it is going to be really like sharp, like parabolic movement from that point. And it's already looking, if you see the big picture here, it's already looking like going parabolic. But yeah, it hasn't seen something like this where it was like 1000%. So but we might expect it there. So we see how long it takes, and this is what we are expecting to happen. And all the like geopolitical and then supply demand mechanics, everything is working in working towards the higher silver prices. So yeah, so that's just a quick overview at this time. Yeah, and I'll cover more. I'll see more. I will later in the next session. I'm going to check on the stocks that I mean how the stocks are doing. Okay, thank you for being with me, and thanks for watching this